This is exam practice packet number 1, and in this video I'm going to talk about 9, 10, 11, and 12. Number 9. The BAA Parent Council is interested in finding out more about parent-caregiver income levels. They ask, how much money is in your wallet right now? Explain what this is not valid and or reliable. Question and suggest how it should be refined. So this question is, this survey question is trying to get at parent-caregiver income levels. But how much money is in your wallet right now is not valid because the money you have in your wallet doesn't necessarily match your income level. People have debit cards where they can keep their money, so they don't necessarily have to carry their money in their wallet, so it's not valid. It's also not reliable because if you ask one person how much is in your wallet right now for, let's say, a week, that answer is not going to be the same. You can have $5 one day, $1 the next day, $10 the next day, then you get your allowance and you have $20 on Friday. I don't know. So therefore, it's not reliable either. For number 10, the BAA Parent Council is interested in finding more about parent-caregiver education levels. They ask, how many books are there in your home? So this question is also not valid because the amount of books in your house doesn't necessarily tell you if your parents have associate's degree, high school diplomas, bachelor's, master's. It doesn't tell you. Nowadays, there's a lot of technology. You can have a bunch of e-books and no books in your house, but that doesn't mean you're less educated than other people. So therefore, it's not valid. This question, I think, is reliable because how many books are there in your home? It's not likely that the amount of books in your home is going to change every day. So if you ask one person how many books are in your home and they say 3, the next day they might also say 3. The next day they might also say 3. So therefore, it's still a reliable question. Number 11. Mr. Klaus wants to survey all BPS students and find out about their music listening habits. He first writes the question, how many CDs did you buy in the last year? Suggest an alternative question that will give him categorical data. So how many CDs gives you a numerical answer, therefore this is a numerical data question. If we want to find out about categorical data, maybe we can ask about genre. We can say, what genre of music did you buy the most last year? And therefore, your answer is broken up into categories rather than numbers. Similar, number 12, Ms. Froggett wants to survey all BPS students and find out their reading habits. She first writes the question, how many hours did you spend reading books in this week? Suggest an alternative question that will give her categorical data. So how many hours is going to give you numerical data? We want to find categorical data, so maybe we can ask the same thing about genre. We can say, what genre of books do you read the most? And then that way, it's broken up into different categories rather than a number.